Greetings, fellow travelers and riders. T5 the Traveler with Becky the Trekkie. We're here at Carowinds and we're going to go on Camp Snoopy's Woodstock Express. I think we've been on a similar one at another park to this, but we'll see how this one rides. We've got a nice 80-degree day here, so we'll see if she's quick on the track or not. It's a nice family coaster. It's got all nice theming, really. They do a nice theme with this area. You can see it's kind of yellow and purple, and they've got the yellow trains right there, and it looks like we've got maybe just a few minutes for a wait, and we'll see if we get on the red train or the yellow train. And
safety gates will be closing, please stand clear. Gates are closing, please stand clear.
oh boy, this is a tiny. Can I fit my butt in?
Trains locked. Please wait until you set train. Get to the road from a tank. Some of them will be serving.
We're in.
My knees are right up on it.
I'm in.
Enjoy your ride on the Woodstock Express.
Yeah, I'm gonna scoot back. I'm gonna try to put my toes here. Can't really lift up too much, so try not to bounce your brain. But it should be okay. I don't think it's gonna be too bad. Should be a fun one. Yeah, these are what all the roller coasters look like. You know, like 100 years ago. This had been the big dog in 1923.
Enjoy your ride.
Like, wow, it drops almost 50 feet. You know, like. Okay, I'm gonna try not to bang into a whole lot of stuff. Woo! She's a rattly. Don't stand up. Okay. Hands and feet and arms inside at all times.
And the sun's coming out.
You can always smell the oil on the old school lift hills.
Yeah.
You know, but that's good. It means it's not rusted. The chain looks great. I think they've really maintained this one nicely. Hell, even the paint looks pretty good. Out here in the sun. Here we go. Oh, I came out of the seat. Nice. Oh, a little speed. Oh no. Here are the bunny hills. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Little mini hit. Hold on, hold on. Wow, all right. Nice.
That wasn't bad.
Nice. Nice. I thought it had good pacing, but we'll get up here into the station and we'll tell you what we think. Maybe better. All right, Woodstock Express. What'd you think, Becky?
Yeah, it was a nice little wooden roller coaster. Had some speed. Definitely enjoyed it though.
I thought it was great. It wasn't overly rattly. Not too bad. Really, the paint job looked pretty good. The attendants were great. Had better speed and pacing, like you say, than I thought. The hills are fun, so if you've never been on a roller coaster, you got the little ones or something, drag them on that thing even and kicking and screaming if they have to, because that's a nice little ride. It'll warm them up for other roller coasters. It's really like that step up before you get to the bigger ones. If you can do that, no problem. Then you can maybe move up to a wood one and then work your way up from there. So all in all, it's a great themed ride. Camp Snoopy's real nice down here. So this is one of the nicer things about the park. No one's out of hand out here. It's nice and quiet. Everyone's well behaved, well attended, and they've got the lost and found right here if you get separated. So I think you're very safe down in this area. They got great kid rides. So A+ for the park on that. Thanks for joining us. If you stuck with us this long and watch our videos, haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so, and we'll see you all very soon on the next Ride and Review. Bye everybody.